Hey Curly Tees! Cetiol Ultimate is a combination of Undecane and Tridecane, two emollients to improve the feel of whatever you add them to. This is a renewable, EcoCert certified ingredient according to the information online. It is not a silicone. If you want to make silicone-free products without giving up all of the additional sensory effects of silicone, try this one. For the girlies looking for a good alternative to cyclomethicone, you may want to try this one.
Cetiol Ultimate contributes to reducing transepidermal water loss, which is crucial for maintaining skin hydration. Its unique formulation mimics natural skin lipids, enhancing the skin's barrier function and providing long-lasting hydration.
Now, allegedly, it's volatile like cyclomethicone, so you shouldn't have any problems with buildup or greasiness. It can be used to make various types of products. I mean, everything from facial products to hair care to baby products.